Nikki, hi sweetheart. Let's show Grandma and Grandpa how you can sit by yourself now. They would love to see that. Ready? Okay. Say I can stand. I can stand by myself. Yes. Yes. Look at you. Whoa. Just a little support. That's it. Yeah. I know. You're so big. You're getting so big, honey. You like it? Do you like singing by yourself? Yes, yes, I do, I do, I do. How about we sit? Okay? How about we sit? Who's such a big girl? Who's such a big girl? Yay, Nikki! Sitting all by yourself. You tell Grandma that you had sweet potatoes today. You had sweet potatoes and you ate them just fine. Yes, and you liked them. Whoops! Whoopsie! Okay. What's up there? Okay, let's stand. Let's stand again. Whoa! What a big girl! Yeah. Wave. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Yay. Yeah. What do you see? You're so excited. Whoa. What else do you want to say? Oh, yeah? What else? Oh. You eating all your fingers? Oh. Yeah. Oh, you love standing. Look at you all by yourself. See, you're going to dance with Grandpa. You're going to dance with Grandpa. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Wow. You love standing. Yeah? Is that Nikki language? Okay, let's sit back down. Let's sit back down. Yeah. Wow. Are you talking to Grandpa? Hmm? Okay, let's say goodbye. Bye-bye. We love you. Okay. All right. Let's go back down. Okay. Whoops. One more try. Come on, you can do it. You can do it.